Let's simplify the following example. Let's take a look what we can factorize from all these four terms. Notice that we have a, b naught in every single term. That's why I'm going to factorize a, b naught from all of them. So I'm going to write a, b naught in front of the parentheses, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 1 or c or c d naught or c d naught e naught. Remember, anything OR with 1 will give me always 1. That's why everything, whatever I have in parentheses, is equal 1. And I have a, b naught multiplied by 1. A, b naught times 1 is always a, b naught. And this is the solution to the problem.